What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon, and people have been asking to see the yard that I tilled up. If y'all remember, here's a clip of it. Yeah, that yard. That's actually my parents' yard. I tilled it up a few months ago. February? I think February, maybe early March. And so I'm about to show y'all the results. Stay tuned. Yes, sir. Alright people, here's the result. It's in the shade. Try to get as close as I can as possible. Today I'm about to cut it. As you can see, my dad has this top-notch irrigation system out. He got a I help him set this up. Sprinkler head here, sprinkler head up there in the corner. He got one over there by that tree. He got one over there in the back. But pretty much gets the whole yard. That sprinkler head, you know, stretches all the way over there and all the way over there. That one gets that corner. This one gets this side of the yard. Covers the whole yard. But right now he just put down some weed and feed, and you don't want to put down weed and feed when you put down seed, because it will stop the seed from growing. But like I said, today I'm about to cut it. Remember this picture, and I'll show y'all the results. Yes, sir. Alright people, here is the end result. I should get y'all a little closer. As you can see, we got a little weedage. But like I said, that was only because we couldn't put down weed and feed or any herbicides because we were growing grass. We just recently put down the herbicides. So now it should prevent any new weeds from growing, and those weeds that are there, we are going to spray. But that's that. That's my last yard of the day. Today's my Friday, so it's my last yard of the week. So, better go home, have a cold one, and watch Scoob. The new Scooby-Doo movie with the family. Nothing better. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, stay tuned. Yes, sir.